All right, and so this one's pretty weird. I don't know if I would really ask you this one. Here's a way of doing it. There might be a better one. Again, you wouldn't know necessarily to do this yet, but I'm going to rewrite this as x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 9. And then I'm going to rewrite this as x plus 2 squared plus 9. The dx up there. And then I'm going to rewrite x plus 2 as my u. And then du is just equal to dx. So negative 2, if x is negative 2, u is 0. If x is 2, u is 4. And it would be 1 over u squared plus 3 squared with a du. This is something, again, like it's, I'll just give you the answers here. And we could figure out if we care that much about this. This would end up being 1 over 3 inverse tangent of u over 3. And I could use a table for that. So again, this might be not something that you necessarily would have known to do right now. So this is 1/3 inverse tangent of 4 thirds, use parentheses, minus inverse tangent of 0. I probably won't ask you that one. All right, here we go. Particular solution of this equation. We did this one before. A general solution would be x to the 4th plus x squared plus a constant. But to find the constant, I know when x is 1, y has to be 0. So 0 equals 1 plus the c. That means this is solved when c is negative 2. So y equals x to the 4th plus x squared minus 2. Find the average value here. For this one, they gave you the definition of the average value, so we have to start by taking this integral from x minus 1 plus 2 from 1 to 4. And for fun, let's just go ahead and multiply out x minus 1. And so that would be x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 2 dx. 1 and 2. I know how to add those two numbers. That is 3. Oh, very good. So I'm going to get the integral of x cubed over 3 minus x squared plus 3x. 1 and 4. That would be plug in the 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Sorry, that's 64 thirds minus 16 plus 12. And we're going to subtract from that. Plugging in the 1 would be 1/3 minus 1 plus 3. So this gives us, I don't know, gives us something. Let's just, whatever, sort this out. Actually got to go pretty soon, so hopefully I can finish this. Plus 2, that would be 2 1/3. That would be, what's 2 1/3? 7 thirds. Yes, minus 7 thirds, I want to say. So this then gives me 7 thirds. 4 right here is 12 thirds. Okay, so this is minus 19 thirds. So that would be 45 thirds. Great. I don't know if that's right. That's what I got. And we want to take the average value, so we're going to divide that by 1 over b minus a. So that would be how big was our range. It was 3 big. So this would be the average value would be 45/9. That's a nice number. That's probably right, because that's just 5. Trapezoid rule. They give you what the trapezoid rule is there. I don't know if I'd give you that. I might give you like a right-hand rule for the same thing. And they tell you let n equal 4. So if we're going to do this one, let's say we use the right endpoints. I do have to go. I'll come back to finish this one.